Hey guys, it's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my May beauty favorites. I have wanted to do this video for such a long time because I just like watching these videos. They're some of my favorite videos on YouTube to watch. Throughout the summer, I'm going to be trying a bunch of different skincare and hair care products because I want to find a routine, like a solid skincare routine and a solid set hair care routine for going to school, because I'm going off to college in the fall. So I want to have like products that I know and love, because I have so many skincare products that are just all over the place. I don't use them all, and I need to find just a set routine of things that I like with a couple extra little things here and there, because I can't bring all of this shit to college with me. I need to like narrow it down, so I need to find like my faves. So I'm going to be trying out a lot of skincare, a lot of hair care products this summer, so there will be a lot of that in these videos. Anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Without further ado, I want to get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with skincare because that just seems like a good place to start. I don't even know how to like say this name. I'll figure it out. But this is like my thing. I started using toner this month because I was like, you know what? Like, I heard toner is like really important in like your skincare routine, and like I never use toner. I was like, maybe this will make my skin look better, and it honestly has. This stuff, this is the Balancing Force oil control toner. So they have different lines, they're all different colors. So the green line is like for acne prone skin and oily skin. So I don't have acne prone skin. I just don't really break out that much. Yeah, I know, it's nice, I'm not bragging about it, but I do have really bad oily skin, like my T-zone and stuff. This is like really cooling. It might be too much for people who have really sensitive skin. My skin is like semi-sensitive, but like it can handle this. It's like, it's just a toner, but it's like it's cooling, and it's like it feels really fresh and nice on the skin. And I've noticed a huge difference in the way my skin feels. Like I just started taking a cotton pad right after I cleansed my face and toning my face, and my skin has become just like smoother overall. Like I just noticed my skin become smoother. So I like this, and I got it in a set with two other things. It came with a cleanser, which I haven't really tried out that much because I've just been using my other cleanser, so I really can't say much on that. It's not like my favorite yet. And then I also got this oil control hydrator, which is cool. It's like a moisturizer, but it's suited for oily skin, and it's just like it's not too creamy or overly moisturizing. It's just perfect for oily skin. So I've been using this as well with it. Like right after I tone my face, I put that on as well. And this has been like a little good nighttime combo. I've also used a toner during the day, but I don't really use the moisturizer during the day. I don't know why. I have another moisturizer, which you'll see in a second. But yeah. And then one of my favorite lines for skincare from Lancome is the Energy Day, which is like their line made for younger skin, because a lot of people think that Lancome just has like more mature skin products, but they actually have a whole line meant for like younger skin. This is the Energy Day Illuminating and Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel, and this is just like an eye cream, but it's like it's a gel. It's like eye cream, but it's a gel. It's not really a cream. See, it's like a gel. And I just kind of pat this like with my ring finger, not that middle finger, with my ring finger like right here on the under eye area, and it just kind of wakens my eyes, gives it more of a awake appearance. I do use this at night too, just because it feels so nice and cooling, and it just overall, like I was having a lot of problem with like texture on my under eyes, and it just kind of smoothened it out and made it more radiant and hydrated my under eyes a little bit. So I really like this eye gel. Anyway, oh my god guys, this product, I got a sample of this, and then I finished the sample within a couple days. I was using it on my clients. I was like, I have to go get this. This is the Clinique Prep Start Hydro Blur Moisturizer. And basically this is perfect for all skin types. All skin types. So I use this as a primer for makeup, and I also use it as just a moisturizer for myself in the morning. So it has no SPF in it, which kind of sucks, so you have to make sure you're putting SPF on, but this is a perfect primer. So basically it's a moisturizer but a primer in one, because it's moisturizing. It has water, like when you put it on your face, it's like feels like it's water infused. It feels very moisturizing and hydrating on the skin, but look at the texture of it. So I'm not sure if you can tell, but it looks like a silicone based like primer. When you put it on your skin, it just like blurs. It's kind of hard to explain my thoughts and how much I love this, because basically if you have oily skin and you put on a moisturizer in the morning, your nose gets so shiny. It's awful. But if you put this on, it like blurs your skin and your nose just looks smooth. It's amazing. So you can literally put on a moisturizer in the morning and be oily and not have to worry about looking greasy. You can just look normal and go about your day. This is also a perfect primer for people who have dry skin, because people who have dry skin really can't use pore filling and smoothing primers, because they're silicone based, so they'll attach to the flakes on their face, and it'll just like the dryness will just make them look cakey. But this is so moisturizing because it's a hydro blurring moisturizer that dry people can put this on their face as a smoothing primer and it won't make them look like cakey. Basically it's the best of both worlds for two different skin types. So I just want to share that because I love this so much, and I hope that you guys kind of understand what I mean. And then finally for skincare, I bought this because Jaclyn Hill posted an April favorites video and she mentioned this face mask. It's the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask by the brand Glow Recipe. It's a nighttime facial mask, like a sleeping mask. You just put it on at night and you wear it until the morning. And I saw this and I just had to have it. Basically anything that she recommends, I'm like, yep, I'll take it. So I got this at Sephora. It is so nice. I've noticed such a difference in my skin. Like it's so radiant and smooth the next morning. My skin just like it just gives you that extra oomph to your skin to make it look better. Like when I don't wear this, my skin looks alright. Like if I do my normal skincare routine, it looks fine. But when I put this on the next morning, my skin just looks 10 times better. It just like gives it that enhancement that it needs. My favorite foundation for this month has been the Tarte Shape Tape foundation. I was going back and forth using this foundation. I thought I was having problems with it oxidizing, but it really wasn't. I just think it was my skin, because this is still so great. So I love this because it's pretty good coverage. You can make it lighter coverage too because it's a doe foot applicator. Excuse me. So you can just like do light coverage, or you can do like full coverage. It's up to you. You can control that. And it looks so good and it lasts so long, guys. So if you have oily skin. So this month, again with the clients and stuff like that, I needed a bunch of concealers, a bunch of different shades, but I needed it to be affordable because I am not that rich. I am my own person. I'm a teenager. I just graduated high school. Like I'm broke as hell. So I decided I would try the ColourPop concealers. So I bought like pretty much all of them, and I just want to say that I love them. They last so long. They blend so nice. They look so good on all different skin types. And they have so many shades. Like, it's so easy just to, like, find the perfect shade for everyone. Like, all different skin types, they have so many shades. They just added so many more, especially darker ones. I love when brands do that. I think it's so dumb if brands don't have a lot of shades. Like the one thing I'll say about the Tarte Shape Tape foundation is that they literally have the worst shade range ever. They have like no dark shades, and that's like, I hate that. So it's not like if I were doing a review on that foundation, I wouldn't give it the best review, because that's like, shade range to me is important. Just because like I feel like makeup is makeup and everyone should be included in that. But like ColourPop has an amazing shade range. Their concealers are awesome. If you're looking for a good concealer, try it out. They're $6, which is pretty good price, especially for a concealer. And they have so many options, and they last so long, and they look so good. Very similar to my Tarte Shape Tape. I kind of like this a little bit better because it's not as like cakey. Tarte Shape Tape can get cakey easily, but these are nice. They're a little bit thinner than that, so they're not too much. And you know what saved my life was I was noticing I used Real Techniques beauty sponges on my clients to blend out their foundation and concealer and bake their face and stuff like that. And I was having trouble getting into the inner corner, so I had to start using a brush because a lot of clients don't like to they like to close their eyes, and I'm like, just look up, and they're just like, no, I don't want to. Like, they're literally, they can't, or they'll look up for like 2 seconds and then they'll close their eyes because they're not used to makeup and applying it on their face. So I was like, I need a smaller beauty blender. And I used to think like the mini beauty blenders and the mini Real Techniques sponges were the dumbest thing ever. I was like, I would never use that ever. So I went out and bought the Real Techniques ones, and I'm not gonna lie, as much as I used to give them shit, like, why would anyone buy that? They saved my life, bro. Like, my clients are so hard to get in the inner corner of their under eye, and this helped me so much. I was afraid that their concealer wasn't going to be perfect, that their under eyes weren't going to be smooth and beautiful, and I just started getting this and it made it so much easier. Another favorite this month for blush is my Morphe Blush Palette, my 9B Blush Palette. This, I'm just doing clients' makeup, and I was constantly using my MAC blushes, and I only have like 5 or 6 MAC blushes, so I was using like the same shades on everyone. And a lot of clients request the same prom makeup looks, and I always want to make them different. I want to like obviously do what they want but make it individual to them. So if I'm using the same products, I feel like I just inside I'm like, no, they're gonna look the same. So I decided to whip out my Morphe Blush Palette because there's a shade in here for everyone. Did not use these two, but I pretty much use like all of these shades right here, and like this one too. And like, they're so smooth, they're such a good formula, and there's a lot of really good colors in here, and it just made me feel better about everyone's look. Like, everyone's look was a little bit different. Moving on to eyes, there's not a lot for eyes that were favorites this month. There's just mascara and some shadows. So my favorite mascara this month has been the Benefit Roller Lash. I used to use this a lot, but I kind of stopped because I started using Better Than Sex, and I started using L'Oreal a lot. And then I kind of rediscovered this during prom season because it's just perfect. It makes lashes look so long, and it's not too clumpy. Like, I found that, not on me because I like the thick and volumizing look, but on other people, especially clients, I found that Better Than Sex could get clumpy. So I started going back to Roller Lash, and I forgot how much I love this stuff. So this was my favorite mascara for the month. And then 2 palettes that I used a lot on my clients this month and that I've been using a lot on myself are the Morphe palettes. I bought these a while ago but just started using them this month. These are the Morphe 25 A and B palettes. Like, this is a little bit more of a rosy neutral tone, and this is like a warm tone palette. These shadows are just so nice. I use this one on myself for prom, so it just has like a lot of really nice creamy pigmented mattes and then some really good shimmer shades there. And this is like more of a neutral rosy tone palette, so I like them both. Yeah, to conclude, I'm going to show you my favorite lip products this month. So the lip liner I've been using on everybody and their mom and myself is NYX lip liner in the shade Natural, because it's like a My Lips but better lip liner. It's literally what majority of people's natural lip color is. And then my favorite lip products for this month have been the new Lancome lip lacquers. Holy shit, guys, I only have 2 shades. They have so many shades. I need to get like all of them. I'm literally gonna go buy all of them, but I just have like 202, which is like, it's like a nude pink, and then 308 is like, it has a little bit of a shimmer in it. Yeah, this is matte, not matte, this is just a solid color. This one has a little bit of a sheen in it. This is like a rosy pink, mauvey pink. I just like it because it's comfortable, it's long wearing, and it's just the finish that I like, and they have some really good colors. I really want to get some bolder colors. And then the final product I have to mention, I wear like, I won't be wearing makeup, I won't be wearing anything, and I put this on, and this is my Dior Addicts Lip Maximizer in the shade 001. I think this is pink the shade. I know the color's pink, like clearly it's pink. It's sheer though. It's just you put it on and it feels kind of like the Buxom but less tingly. Like it's not tingly, it just feels minty, and it just makes your lips look so big and so juicy and so freaking beautiful. I love this. This is my favorite lip gloss. So yeah, and those are my beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as I said earlier, and comment your favorite beauty products of this month down below. My Instagram and my Facebook will be linked in the description box per usual. So follow my Instagram so you can vote on my stories when I put polls of what videos you guys want to see. And if you don't have Instagram, you can comment your requests for more videos in the comment section down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!